Monitors for home offices have become essential pieces of the remote work lifestyle. We can even spend lunch hours and happy hours in front of them. The home office can transform a corner of the second bedroom into a conference room. An interface for co-workers, teachers, friends, and family. The right monitor in a work-from-home setup can be central to improving both our Outlook and using Outlook. So let's, screen options for the best monitors for home office. Number 1. Dell UltraSharp U2720QM. If you've got to crunch the numbers, you shouldn't have to squint to see them, and the Dell UltraSharp U2720QM monitor for home office offers 27 inches of crisp 4K display space at a competitive price of about $600. The IPS, that's in plane switching, LED panel delivers a clearer picture from any angle, features 163 pixels per inch, and has a 1300:1 contrast ratio. The more above 1000 that the left number goes, the better. Plus, it offers 95% of the P3 gamut, which is the color space many of us have gotten used to watching video. The best Dell monitor for home office supports HDR, or high dynamic range, which means more visible detail, especially in the darker areas of the screen. So, even if the folks from accounting aren't good about lighting their Zoom calls, you can see more of their faces. Number 2. Samsung Odyssey G9 Monitor. The best Samsung monitor for truly voracious content consumers and creators, the Odyssey G9 offers an astounding 32:9 aspect ratio, driven by a company known for its pin-sharp panel innovations. Using QLED technology, this TQHD monitor features 5120 by 1440 resolution, a 240 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10. It has a curvature of 1000 R, which matches the human eye and keeps the entire image at the same distance to minimize eye strain, with great peak brightness and reflection handling perfect for those well-lit office appointments. There's no doubt this represents the pinnacle of side-by-side document comparison, and a picture-in-picture feature lets multiple devices be displayed simultaneously. It's also a monitor optimized for G-Sync/FreeSync and the motion handling of gaming, making it one of our favorite ultra-wide gaming monitors. Number 3. Dell S2722QC. More and more computers are adopting USB-C or Thunderbolt ports, and if your computer is equipped with one, we strongly suggest checking out Dell's S2722QC. In our tests, we found its build quality to be excellent, despite its frame being made from plastic, especially the sturdiness of its stand and foot. We could rotate the display by 90 degrees with nary a wobble. Unsurprisingly, this monitor's USB-C port is its best feature. Our 13-inch MacBook Pro never had a problem connecting or charging, but it's complemented by a pair of HDMI ports, a couple of USB-A ports, and a headphone jack. Those USB-A ports are useful if you decide to connect a webcam and external hard drive to your machine when you plug your laptop into this display. Overall, we were pleased with the look of Dell's S2722QC during everyday use. It was more than sufficient for tasks like reading articles, streaming video, and being a part of digital meetings. The display's color accuracy was suitable for casual photo editing, but professionals are better off with a display that covers the entire sRGB color spectrum. Number 4. Apple Studio Display. For Mac lovers, the new Apple Studio Display finally delivers on the promise of a high-end monitor made by Apple for its desktop fans and MacBook aficionados. It isn't as performant as Apple's Premium Pro Display XDR, which costs upwards of $6,000. Still, you get a great 27-inch, 5K display with many quality-of-life features like a Thunderbolt 3 port that delivers 96 watts of power, 3 USB-C ports, and one of the best speaker systems you'll find in a monitor. The biggest benefit of using a computer and monitor designed by Apple is that the two work together within the company's hardware ecosystem. The MacBook Pro we used while testing the display immediately recognized the monitor each time we connected the two. Additionally, and this is admittedly an aesthetic luxury rather than a necessity, its glass and aluminum body looks sharp on a desk. Similarly, we were caught off guard by the quality of the Studio Display speakers. Bass was punchy, with ample detail still in the mids and highs. Number 5. UXE24G1A Curved Frameless Monitor. A full HD display with up to a 165 Hz refresh rate, the UXE24G1A monitor features a 1,500R curved VA, vertical alignment, panel and 3,000:1 contrast ratio, meaning it will offer inky blacks and vivid colors. You won't get the same color gamut as an IPS monitor, but you'll get some added depth to the physical experience. The monitor's frame is unobtrusive, and the sturdy stand is height, swivel, and tilt adjustments, offering a well-rounded, responsive experience. You're restricted to using HDMI or DisplayPort as your connection, but the monitor still offers a lot of upscale, cinematic features for a low price and will improve the general work environment. If your work involves travel or devices in multiple locations, another cheap option is the 15.6-inch LaPow HD USB-C display, the best portable monitor for mobile presentations. It's not a replacement, more an extension of your desktop. Think an iPad, minus everything but the screen.